You found a story. This story is called
Cookbook.
Tap on the arrow to start.
Ollie had his cookbook, and he was ready to cook. The pictures of soup looked so good. First, he found some firewood. Then he got some water from a brook. A brook is a small river. Tree, book. River. He put the water on a hook. When the water was hot, he added the book. Ollie waited a while, then took a look. The soup didn't taste so good. At last, Ollie understood. A cookbook is not a book you cook. Ollie didn't know how to use the cookbook. Wood, water. Cookbook.